Hey guys, it's Anna, and in today's video we're going to be doing a full body stretch for flexibility. I've tried to incorporate some new stretches so you don't get bored of always doing the same ones, and also this routine can be done by anyone, no matter how flexible you are to start off with, because I'll be providing beginner modifications to the more advanced stretches. So let's just go ahead and get started with the routine. First, stretch out your neck by looking side to side. Next, tilt your head to the left, and now to the right. Now reach your left arm overhead to the right side. Now rotate your hips towards the side you're reaching to go into a flat back, and then reach towards your ankle. Once you're reaching as far down as you can, turn in your back leg. Step the front foot forward into a deep lunge, going down as far as it takes for you to feel a stretch. Once you're in your lunge, reach your inside arm up. Staying in the lunge position, bend in your back leg for an even deeper stretch. Rotate your hips back to the center, reaching as far forward as you can, and then we're going to roll back up to standing. Now that you're standing back up, we're going to repeat all of those stretches on the other side, starting with reaching your right arm forward to the left side. You can now rotate into the flat back and then reach towards your ankle. Now rotate your back foot towards the front one. Step out into your lunge and reach your inside arm up. Bend in the back leg of your lunge. Now come back up to reaching to the center, making sure that both of your feet are turned outwards. In this position, we're going to do 5 pliés to stretch out your hips, and in between each plié, stand up and do a shoulder roll to stretch those out as well. There isn't really a modification to this one, just go as deep into the plié as you can. Now remain in the plie and use your arms to push your legs even further backwards. Next, go down as far into a middle split as you can with your legs bent. Reach down towards the ground and we're going to alternate bending each leg. Each time that you bend your leg, you should feel a deeper stretch in the hamstring of the straight one.
We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the sun.
Now grab onto your legs, trying to pull your chest even closer to them.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
Now sit down and we're going to stretch out our shoulders by straightening out your arms behind you.
Been here 1,000 times, set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober.
For the next one, go over your toes and then lift up your hips to stretch out your feet.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
Next, we're going to rock back and forth 10 times in a bridge, but if you can't do a bridge, just do the beginner modification on the left side.
Should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, 'cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking.
Lay on your back and then lift one leg up as close to the ground as you can.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
Repeat that last stretch on the other leg.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Roll over to lay on your side and then lift up your leg as high as you can.
Baby, you and I should start living
Repeat that last stretch on your other side.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. Baby we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and once we hit 2 million subscribers, I'll do my first ever live stream stretch and Q&A.